Recording. Alright. So I think it works. Yeah, I think I'm recording at the moment. So I guess I'm playing. This is weird. I don't know. Yo, the puff.
Probably want to
You have this planter right here. You wanna do it?
Aki. The Taki one?
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, sure, we are running out of time.
Blessing, yeah.
Blessing.
Ooh. Ah,
Oh,
never
I
mind.
think it's taking, not attacking. I feel like it's the taking one, not the attacking one. Or ball. I mean, it's taking one, it's not attacking one, whatever.
Yo, so what's the difference between Adobe? Oh, he's macroing. What is Adobe? Isn't it like what is Adobe actually?
Adobe.
Is it?
I haven't used that. That's a good question. I don't really use it.
Is that a
I have no
editing
no
software?
knowledge. I have no knowledge.
I'm guessing.
I do know it's a software, and I heard about it. It's animating. I mean, some people use it for animating, but I just don't use it because I don't use it. Why I don't know.
Milk lower. Oh, it's back to
Longer. 11 right now.
Well, I'm stuck. Great to know. Bro, once I upload this video, people are gonna be asking like, I don't know. Should I upload this video to YouTube or no? It's like, I'm still trying to test it out. Like,
I don't even know. I don't even know. And top 10 is my branding funny moment. Okay.
Yeah. This is gonna take a while. Glorious though. Bless you. Where'd he go? Hi, Papa? Oh, bamboo.
I don't think we are going to kill.
Yeah, when it's not dying. Level 13. Maybe actually will.
I don't know, maybe.
Yeah, it's gonna die.
The stingers did. Yeah, we did.
That was not that hard.
Alright,
that's a lesson for him. Alright. I'm gonna just pop this just cause swirled wax. Solid. I think maybe I should plant blue clay over here.
I feel like I gotta just sit. Oh, I got a Ben snap. No, that I don't really like that big one.
You ready?
I'm not sure if that's yours. I think it's that ticket printer. Is that yours ticket printer?
Alright. Let me get
I
links.
feel like it's a ticket printer. Oh.
That's really good rewards actually. Holy.
Both. It's not both. Both of them.
Oh, it's went up here. Oh wait, I need to convert actually.
Ouch.
Oh, where did it go?
Ah.
I have zero clue. Oh, there's only a mushroom.
And I'm doing my I can't even I make it so long here. I hit my
Oh my god, I'm lagging.
Yeah.
That lag is insane. There's a rare over here though.
One.
Yeah, there's a rare right here.
I think I should get a hot drink. Maybe hot chocolate. Or you guys.
It refreshed.
You gotta say like, we asked you like 4,000 times throughout this.
Yeah. Oh, is it up there yet? The triple field. Oh, where's it at?
It's in rolls right now. I only saw one.
Yeah, we have to tell him that his thing's only doing one at a time. Oh well.
Alright, it's going fine now. I'm not sure if it will go great. Let's see.
This shit
Yeah,
become a
level
werewolf.
10. And it just get. It's going to.
Practice.
One at a time cactus.
Oh, I'm surprised I didn't get killed.
Very. Level
Level
12.
12.
I need 14 for that.
Hopefully you
That's
can be
like
level 14.
17 million.
No, it's going down a
Oh no,
strawberry.
I don't think I can do this. It's like 14 now.
14, yeah, it is
Of course
14.
it's 14.
I can do this. It's
Or it's
doable.
22 million.
It's very doable.
I mean, if I deal any damage, that counts.
Yeah, I
If
think all you
half
gotta do
is
is do
over half.
damage. Do 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 do.
Yeah. Now I just need epic in
Oh,
Bendor
there
and
you go.
Shield.
It went to one went over there, but it went up to cactus again. I think. Yep.
Other is common. Still common. Also common. Both
15. Okay.
15. I don't remember what's the exact label where ethics starts. I actually don't.
Baby love.
That
There you
rare
go.
is level 5.
15 level rare. Okay, that's kind of hard.
I think this was my highest ever done, or like last month or 2 months ago.
Yeah, we can do this. This is light. This is some light.
If we probably like without lasting, will give me like it will give us like 7 or 8.
Back down
Are we
to
doing?
this field.
Are
There's
we
a level
doing
17. Yeah, go to
think I'm
shadows.
going to do this. Let's try that for no reason now. I don't even know why. I don't think I'm doing this, but yeah, I'm trying. I'm trying this for no reason.
Yeah.
And give me enough time. I surely can, but it's a minute.
Ooh, that's cool.
Minute.
I got red extracts.
10 minutes.
I got a red
I
extra from
don't think I
Pushroom.
can do this. I'm probably just trying to get highest for it if I can.
Oh, beast, quit being lazy and do it real quick. It's not that. Okay, there you go. Okay, two at once.
38 million. I only done 38 million. I'm not doing it.
I mean, I'm destroying the ones at my field.
So much. Wait, actually, if I got lucky, I can do it. If I keep critical.
Oh, there you go. That one broke.
Wait. I pop it.
You paused
I
it?
pop the spider. I pop it.
That level.
Hey, wait, how about yours? What the hell? What the hell is this?
Huh? Is that level
What the
19?
hell is this level 19?
Oh god.
What the hell is this?
I didn't realize it.
Over half billion. Over half.
Oh, there's another rare up here. I don't think I'm proud of this one.
It's calm. Where is like 1.5 times more HP.
Yeah, that's gonna
Where I
be
can, yeah, where I can use.
hard. No way. And that's the highest level so far.
Let me see if that option was my all-time best. All-time, yup, that was my best option pop. Nice.
I mean, it probably would have been mine.
117 million. 117 million. I mean, top one is 252 million.
Okay, my most on a daily one is 22. I'm almost on the leaderboard actually. That's not that far actually. I almost made it on the leaderboard. Maybe if we would have locked in and got like that one done.
No, are you sure it's not far? They are in billions.
Oh, they're in billions?
Yeah.
I thought it was. I
Why
thought.
I keep speaking my native language?
Oh, it is billions. Never mind.
It is billion.
Oh, I thought it said millions, not billions.
If it's a million, we will do it like if we do like a boost in 3% boost in this refill, and we are getting like good, real quick
Yeah, probably.
if we actually do that.
It's not even a bad idea, actually. So we got that. I don't know. Should I try doing boost? I mean, there's no point in it. I already got most of the things I need.
Boost in cactus for no reason.
Um. Oh, Robo Party. Yeah, I forget about that. I mean, Robo Bear.
Oh yeah, eh? You want a robo party with?
Robo Bear, actually. This is easier.
Yeah.
Vector.
I probably just gonna do one per day and not doing more. I am so lazy to try to get around 10, even 15. I'm sure I really need luck
I'm lagging again. Oh my god.
just for digital.
I keep lagging. This is like random lag spikes. Oh no, not
I
mosquitoes.
mean,
Complete the
yes,
quest quick.
yes. Uh, what's my quest?
The quest I need to do is choose 8 common bees. I might have to destroy my hive.
Which is just basic B.
Let's see.
Common B equals basic B.
Oh
There's no
god.
other option for common B. There's no, there's none.
That. And maybe this, just because of the. I need to get
Because
white noise upgrade and fission and RGB.
RGB,
I don't know what RGB does, but it's apparently something.
I really forgot all the upgrades I got back then. I don't even remember what they are. They were.
I need pedal one, low
In fact, I
key.
purchased for Quest. I don't even know. I don't even know what they do. I just purchased because Quest.
I'll do that too, honestly. I just buy things that look cool, or like that look the most promising. I do have to collect from Spider. Yeah, collect Spider Pollen Quest, and this one is Spider Pollen Quest. Give me Tabby Bee and Precise, because I don't have
I
Precise.
think
Oh, got Fission.
I've done that really nicely, and yeah, I think I got the run I did today. I got Spider one by round 7 because
I got Fission.
the other ones is all rare. I'm not doing rare. It's left with my mushroom, strawberry, and rose. I'm not doing that. There's no way I'm doing that. I think I've done the first 9 rounds like really easily. So it's just the damage. It surely was the damage about.
Yeah, so you might need to get like a Brave Bee or a Rage.
And luck.
Yeah, you're lucky.
And luck. I got white and red. There was no blue.
Dang.
And I got no sharpen. I think I only got one sharpen once.
Bamboo. I'll just do this.
And forgot to get golden
Hasty.
palm hour.
I have 2 Hasty Bees? What? Oh yeah, I ruined my hive. I forgot about that.
I remember.
Might as well. Mm.
And I'm
I have
just
no
like
clue if that
not so
works.
sure about the all overs.
Okay, so keep this
I
here.
I don't even know if I should buy the overface.
What does this do again? Super crit chance. Okay, that's really good. And I am done with the quest or challenge.
The single round.
Yeah, I might have to buy my own Loki, my own private server. Oh, here's around. Okay, perfect. I got lucky here. But now I need damage B, so precise B gonna be for that little good thing.
I also got the vision as the first upgrade in quest. The other three it took me a while.
Yeah, I literally just need
Yeah, also
white
need
noise, RGB, and then 8 golden cog motors. I have no idea how to get cog motors. I'll never figure that out.
the I couldn't pass round 10, so the longest one was the 64th round. I just took a while for it. Because I couldn't like go past that one. I never can. I never could.
This is not good. I'm not making much honey. I mean, pollen.
I swear I love stump too
Please,
much.
explain, save me. Oh, well,
I
that's
love
considered.
I love the stump so much. I just always get good enough amount of gun drop and glue.
Maybe if you get
I
fire
amaze
mask,
too much.
you might be able to complete it if you get fire mask. I know it's not ideal for you to get that, but maybe it
Oh
might help you.
wait. I Alright, there's no way I just done that robot challenging without any attack unless I fire or do. I was doing it with like I was literally doing it with diamond just for. I mean, I don't really need that much blue for most. I have a good enough. I don't think I will face problem until very later or until very later. The
Bees, are
quest
you doing your
just
job or no? Kill them.
just requires to get like
They're killing the cog motor.
billions of billions of pollen in 5 minutes. I mean, we have upgrades, so our requirement is
Bees, just
not
kill
high.
them. Please, bees.
Yeah,
Thank you. Okay.
I used to kill 25 mosquitoes faster than pollen.
Oh wait,
You
bamboo.
know how bad what I was.
I might lose, but it's something I need. Uh, let's get this back here.
Uh,
This defragment I don't need. I don't need GPU, do I? One cog here. That's
I
four,
probably
five.
I
Yeah.
probably won't really buy GPU. That kind of bad for later.
I mean later on, but I
Unless
don't
you
know.
have so many class card per round upgrade, then you can buy. But yeah,
Add credit. Oh
I
no,
probably
not
won't.
Mondo. Can you come over here and kill Mondo real quick?
Wait, yeah, sure. Things for this not like so high HP, like the first minute
Oh,
of game.
Mondo's actually gonna kill me. No. Okay, at least they ignore Mondo.
I mean, Army just so when he
I
spawns
am
stick bar,
done.
there's always a Mongol. I just don't know why. He probably thinks like, hey,
Okay, I have to get
the
lucky.
it's maybe 5 o'clock. I'm going to surprise the players with a stick bar while Mondo is still alive. I think they can kill it in like 10 seconds, so it's fine. I just spawn stick bar, blah blah blah.
Wait, so how do you find Cogmo, golden Cogmo? Do you just go to the fields and see if they spawn in?
Yeah,
Okay. I like to collect from bamboo.
I can tell that literally just forget to get my golden cow hours in previous round.
I didn't know that if I post this video, it's gonna be like people are gonna be saying, going red early has to be a crime.
I swear there's 99% chance that could be there's someone commenting that say, "Oh, you are early red. How are you stupid or something?"
I'm doing it for fun. There's no
You know
point.
that made that fallen blah 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 blah.
Oh my god, my
Just
leg.
like me, if someone see me, I have a precise in a blue hive say, "Oh, why are you microwave? Microwave is the life of blue. Why are you trying to do this?"
People like
And I will
think Blue Hive's
respond
only
like,
macro.
like you, I do this for fun. It's like a weird but funny challenge for me for whatever purpose. Can I use this? Yeah.
It's a Blue Hive. This
Blueberries
is
as
like,
well.
this is way too hard for me right now. It's not hard. It's tedious.
Actually, there's like another person like me that does micro, who does micro, and he's level 16, and many people just went, why are you microing if you are blue?
It's weird. Please be enough. Yes, okay. That's a curve. I think literally everyone besides me and you are macroing in the server right now.
I'm quite sure, yeah. Let me check. Let me check.
I think they're just all macroing.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yo, rate my
Definitely
early
not
red
here. Yeah, not
hive.
here.
Rate my early red hive.
Yeah, guys, you guys
So good.
show them my funny blue hive with literally precise speed.
There's precise in here.
Blue with precise speed, guys. It's totally different. It's real.
Once I make enough, I'm probably gonna like do a little small boost just to gamble some bees away. Like I'm gonna get rid of probably like another. I'm gonna keep one tadpole because I guess bubble is pretty decent. So like the field just doesn't get disintegrated.
Oh, I found someone without micro.
Really?
Actually, there are two. They are in 15 pizza now and doing pop for yeah. I could
Hmm.
it's going down.
Is invert really good or no? I guess not.
Invert is quite good for just to try to get all the red bonus quests.
That would be really good
I
for
don't
you
know if it's
actually.
for you. Maybe it's good for you for blue pony,
Yeah, if I since I
but
have to do
it's
I have to do
quite good
bamboo. I have to do
for us for red pony.
you have to do 2 more bamboos. That's it. Well, I'm lagging again. Oh my god. It's I randomly started
Because
lagging.
I'm not red and natural silver is just like all red, all blue, and then you say inverse blue because you can get all the red bonus.
Yeah, and I have to do the bamboo quest too.
Well, after invert upgrade, bubble actually collects more. I think it collects more from red if you have it. Because I remember it says bubble is like collecting 8 blue, 6 white, and 4 red.
Oh wait,
The
I
times
forgot.
4 is like 16.
Oh, there's potions.
And
Great. I do have
it's
to pop
awesome.
some rare ones.
I still couldn't believe I got my highest ever potion in a literal 4 white field.
Wow, there's a rare in mushroom
White,
field.
white, whole
But I'm
white.
doing RBC, so I can't really do anything.
Yeah,
Wow.
there's
Don't break it, please. Try to save it.
the
There's 2, no.
no the how are you guys supposed to keep it? No, it's gone. It's gone.
Oh, the balloon's
No,
popping.
no, 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 no.
That sucks.
It's bobbing. It's going away. It's going away. That's
It's
awesome.
not going away. I got time.
No. 17 seconds. No.
Yeah, you know what? Just pop it. Just pop it. There's no way. Or actually,
Yeah.
never mind. Never mind.
Can you pause it?
Yes. No way. Precise became a clutch again. Yeah.
Reverse is like one. So we have only our lovely host, Michael. Other two just grinding the 15B zone for some reason.
I'm
You
gambling
can
again.
see them here.
This is my whole
You can
process.
see them. You can actually see them in cactus and pumpkin.
Please,
Yeah, just
please. I've spent so many gingerbread on this guy. Please, just 5. Dude, spicy beat. Chill out. It takes so much.
It's spicy. There's no kind of chill. Well,
I'm only trying to get it
as
just because of the what do you call
peppers,
it?
they're also chilly,
Yeah.
and
Oh, teriyaki
they are
teriyaki.
just grinding down there. You can see they are grinding down there.
I mean, are they macroing? No. Actually, yeah, they are macroing. They are macroing.
Maybe he's actually microwave.
This person's actually
And
grinding.
that one with bubble, yeah, he's grinding.
I'm gonna give them a
Movement
supreme
is
saturator.
pretty a gun drop. A gun drop was, yeah. He doesn't know what blue is. Oh, he knows.
I do actually need these, huh? Alright, I'm gonna stop recording, see where this thing goes.